you might not get the grade you want. And now you're in a cycle of depression, right? Here's a note that I'm going to give to you. And it's a quote. If you have no confidence in self, you are defeated twice in the race of life. With confidence, you have won before you have even started. So, I'm going to tell you what that means. If you walk into a situation feeling good about it, not knowing anything that's going on around you, whether there are bad things happening, if you walk into a situation with confidence, you have already won because you feel good. If you walk into a situation and you feel terrible, you're most likely going to feel terrible at the end. You're not going to put your best foot forward. You're not going to have the ability with your mind to think of all the different ways you can get an answer. When you're super focused on a really bad thing, that's all you're thinking about. Okay? So if you're wondering what an answer is and there's two possibilities, you won't be able to process or eliminate one because you're thinking, I'm going to fail, I'm going to fail, I'm going to fail. And you're going to second guess yourself. Okay? I just want to add that in there.
Everybody say head. Head. Animals use their head to serve their body. Humans use their body to serve their head. Y'all catching that? So when animals eat, how do they eat? You did it. What do they do? They put their head down and start what? How do they eat? Everybody do it. How do they eat? Humans use their or a utensil to bring the what? To do what? How do we eat? We what? Bring up to our mouth. So the body serves the brain. Everybody say it. Motion creates emotion. I'm going to say it again. Say it. Motion creates emotion. Now, go through the exercise again. What's the, everybody say animals. What does animals do? Animals use what? Their, to serve their, humans use their, to serve their, let's do it again. Animals use their to serve their body. You understand what I mean? So when you talk loud and you be ignorant, you're serving your because then you want to fight. That's the conclusion. When you talk long, if somebody disrespects you, what do you want to do most times? Okay. Now, when you're thinking straight, right? You're doing everything possible. I'm walking to class. I'm reading a book. I'm using my what? To serve my... You see the difference? So what is the most important thing to a human? What's the most important thing to a human? They're what? What are you serving? There you go. Say it again. So what's the most important thing to a human? They're... If you keep this together, this will follow. Which means if you're reading good stuff, your body will behave what? It will behave well, right? If you keep putting bad stuff in your, then what's your body going to do? You're going to act like a what? Say it again. You're going to act like a what? So if you see people climbing on the desk, what are they? If you see people yelling in class, what are they? If you see them skipping down the hallway acting a fool, what are they acting like? And how should the world treat you if you act like that? Like, but you're a what? You what? You what? There you go. You stand. Say it again. You what? You are. Humans should be what? Why? Because this always what? Serves. Y'all getting this? That's why it's not important what you have on. It's important what you have in you. I don't care what your name of your clothes is. I care how you think. That's what's important. Y'all got that? So you learned today that you're a what? Everybody say it together. You're a what? And I'm not a Come on, say it with an attitude. I'm a human. And I'm not a animal. I'm a human. And I'm not a animal. And because I'm a human, what? My body serves my brain. I'm not a animal. Because my body serves. Because my what? Brain. Doesn't serve. That's why you eat right. See, everything else you do is based on those two things. If you feel like you're a human, you'll always do things to keep your brain activated. In fact, I'll give you this. Whenever they say somebody is dead and not coming back, it's because they're what? Shut down. Their body could not do anything, but once this goes, that's when they say they have passed. Now you see how important this is? How many of y'all gonna work on your mind? That means you gotta watch something positive every day. Something motivational, something positive. Read a book. Work on your, say it again, work on your, everybody say, I gotta work on my mind. Say it together, I gotta work on my mind.
I gotta work on my mind.
Because I'm not a animal. There you go. Clap it up.
Become someone positive.
Uh-huh.
So if you think I'm bold, what are you going to be? You're going to be...
Say it with confidence. If you think what?
If you think
Good morning.
Cool. While everybody else? All right, there you go. And what we learned today is I'm not a what?
Animal.
Because my what? Say it again. Because my what? Okay. So how many of y'all going to serve your brain this week? Because I want to remain a what? Human. Say it together. I want to remain a what?
Human.
What kind of human? A what human? What's her word? A what kind of human? Human. Say it together. What kind of human? Human. Or what? A confident human. There you go. How many of y'all are here confident human? Confident humans are leaders. They're what?
Leaders.
Confident humans dominate. They do what?
Dominate.
Because I told y'all last time, when I show up, what shows up? A Leo. Everybody say, when I show up.
When I show up.
The party shows up.
The party.
Oh, say it again. When I what? When I show up. The what shows up?
The party.
So if I come in here, what shows up?
The party.
Why? Because I'm what? I'm
confident.
Oh, I'm what?
Confident.
Because when I show up, the
Party shows up.
there you go. Clap it up for yourself, y'all. It's all about your mental health. Work on your mind. The average American reads less than one book a year. How long did I say? Leaders read one book a month. How often? How many of y'all can do that? On anything you want. And here's what you read it on. What do you enjoy? What are some of the things y'all enjoying here? Math. Okay, what else? What y'all enjoy? What kind of stuff? What kind of things do y'all like doing? Speech. So you read books on speech, right? Okay. Babysitters. Okay. Can you read one book a month on that? Can you read one book a month on that? Can you read one book a month on speech? What else? Who else we got? What else we got here? Dance class. So we read one book on dancing. Can you do that? If I read one book a month, how many would I have read at the end of the year?
12.
Oh, good job. All right. So, if I read one book a month for 1 year, how much is that? 12. Now, if I read it for 5 years, how much is that? Say it again. Say it. How much? Now, the average American reads what? Less than one book a year. So, if I read 60 and they've read one, who's more likely going to get the job? Who's more likely going to get the opportunity? The one that read what? So, let me ask you a question. Knowing that, who's in control of your destiny?
You.
Who is it? Everybody say it together. Say, I. Who's in control of my destiny?
I.
And all I got to do is do what? How often? Finish one book a month. How many of y'all can commit to that? Raise your hand. Now, listen, we only deal with leaders. I only want the best. How many of y'all can commit to that? Raise your hand. Say, I. How many of y'all can commit to one book a month for the next 5 years? Say, I. Because guess what? In your next grade, you're going to read more. But you shouldn't read only because your teacher tells you. You should read because you want to. Because I'm not a what? I'm a what? Humans are what? They're smart. Everybody say, I'm smart. Humans are what else? They're what?
Confident.
Humans are what?
Confident.
Humans are what?
Confident.
What else? They're also smart. Say it, there you go. Say it, smart. Humans are first. Say it again. There you go, you getting it. Humans are first what? Second thing they are?
Smart.
There you go. The third thing they are is different. What's the word?
Different.
All right, how many people in here are different? You ever had somebody say this? You acting so different. How many of y'all heard that before? I want you to say this back to them. Y'all ready? Here's what I want you to say the next time somebody say that. Oh, I'm not acting like it, I just am. Everybody say it together. Say, I'm not acting like it.
I'm not acting like it.
I just am. How many of y'all like your difference? How many of you like the fact that you're different? Say, I. Because difference makes you more what?
Confident.
Oh, when I believe in my difference, it makes me more. How many people in here can speak well? Raise your hands.